Here at Akima, supporting both our customers and shareholders are in fact complementary goals.
Honesty, integrity govern our actions, dignity and respect for all, commitments made will be fulfilled. Those are the INUPAC core values, those are the NANA core values, the Akima core values.
As a NANA shareholder and an Akima employee, I am dedicated to our mission of supporting our customers and creating value for our more than 14,000 shareholders. It is really meaningful to me to work for my Alaska Native Corporation because it means that the work that I do every day goes to support the people of the NANA region. And at the same time, I am serving our customers and supporting the U.S. government and military in their missions around the world. I see that every day in my coworkers too. The Akima culture is full of people that do their best for our shareholders, for our country, and for their own families and lives.
And when you use those core values to drive your thinking as it pertains to your customer, it makes it very simple. You treat everybody with dignity and respect, very simply. And your government partner, our government partners, appreciate that. When we tell them we're going to do something, commitments made will be fulfilled, we will fulfill them. Even if it costs us money, we will fulfill what we say we're going to do. So I love the core values, and it drives everything we do.
We're always working on ways to improve customer intimacy within the program. And we're also finding ways to reinvent ourselves to stay ahead of the curve.
You have to understand the culture of Akima. Akima is very diverse, and we have a lot of opportunities. We have a lot of different sections. We work with shared services, we have operations. And so, it just takes somebody that can fit in, that can work with a team, and that's really flexible because, Akima, we have a lot of different opportunities in different places.
And I think people collaborate well across the different groups and departments. I also feel like employees are treated really fairly and that my efforts are appreciated. And that definitely, makes me want to stay here.
It is so important to me, not just as an Akima employee, but as a NANA shareholder as well, to uphold these values every day, to consider them and remind myself that not only are they expected by my employer, but they're the same values that my ancestors have lived by for centuries.